When are Americans going to wake up and realize they are not the saviors of the world? They're the ones destroying it. This caption reads, as a military wife who has a husband getting deployed with everything happening in the Middle East right now, everything happening in the Middle East, I want nothing more than for my husband to be home with me and safe. He has a choice to stay home and be safe, but he's choosing to leave and actually make other people unsafe, destroy their homes, their lives, and even take their lives. Palestinian women are being separated from their husbands forcefully, whether their husbands are getting killed or they're getting displaced and separated from their husbands. I can't believe these people are still in the victim mindset, putting sad music. You're the villain. You are the villain. You are the ones destroying the entire Middle East. Did we not see what they did in Iraq? Did we not see what they did in Abu Ghraib? Like, there's photo and video evidence. The irony is, if your husbands decided to stay at home, the Middle East would be good.